Okay, I'm going to try something here. I just got back from 9 days on the road in my 2004 Chevy Astro van. Did about 2,000 miles, just under that. It was great, and my music works, and the CD player works, and no problems with that, but I would have preferred to have been listening to my iPod. So, I bought this thing. This is supposed to plug right into the radio, and you can do an auxiliary that way. And I've got one of these cables here. The 3.5 jack that would go into my iPod, and this has a switch on it. So I'm going to attempt to pull this bezel, pull the radio out, plug this in, and test it and see if it works. Now, I watched a couple videos, so I know you have to drop the steering wheel and this arm here. Put that in, and I'll turn this. Didn't actually mean to do that. Drop that down. And pop all this out. Tape protector didn't do shite. This is all out here. We'll figure all that out. I know I got to remove these little puppies here. Okay, it's going to be a little bit more tedious than I had hoped. The thing about plastic is, you never want to force it. One, two, three. Okay, let's see if we can just kind of get this off here somehow. Ah, I see. There we go. I don't think I need to take that much more than that. Lock that down there. See if we can do the rest of this job. Put this thing up in the air here. Wah, 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 wah. Alright. Should have brought some rags down here to wipe everything clean. Pushing down on the clips. This is supposed. There we go. There we go. Here we grow. Alright. Put this back up here and take the key out. Now. So this looks a little bit different than some of the radios I've seen. It only has the one harness. Let's try to get that out of there. I have to fuck it up. There we go. Alright. I'm looking in here for space too, because I'm going to want to find a spot to hide all this stuff in here afterwards. But for now, it's just a test. Let's test it. Shall we? Shall we? So this is a two-parter here. Well, I tell you right now, this isn't going to work. no way that fits in here. There's no friggin' way that these things line up. So that has been a total waste of time. And according to eBay, this was supposed to fit a 2004 Astro van radio, but it doesn't. So you've just been watching for 5 minutes plus, and that was a huge waste of friggin' time. Now you know. Don't do it.